Question number 2. If A is an acute angle and secant A is equal to 17 upon 8, find all trigonometric ratios of angle A using trigonometric identities. Let A, B, C is a right angle triangle at point B, and given secant A is equal to 17 upon 8. PBP over HHB. Hypotenuse upon base is equal to secant A. Hypotenuse is 17 and base is 8. In triangle ABC, Y Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, which implies hypotenuse is 17 raised to power 2 and AB is 8 raised to power 2 plus BC square. 17 raised to power 2 is equal to 289. 8 square is 64 plus BC square, which implies BC square is equal to, shifting left side, 289 minus 64, which implies BC square is 289 minus 64 is 289 minus 64 is equal to 225. Then BC is equal to root 225, 15 square. 15 square, and we get BC is equal to 15. This side is 15. Secant A is equal to 17 upon 8 and cos A is reciprocal of secant A, that is 8 upon 17. And we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Cos A is 8 upon 17, which implies sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. We are shifting right side. Then sin square A is equal to 1 minus 8 upon 17 raised to power 2. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus 64 upon 289. Sin square A is equal to 289 minus 64 upon 289. Sin square A is 289 minus 64, that is equal to 225 upon 289. Then sin A is equal to, that is 15 square and it's 17 square. 15 upon 17. And sin A is equal to 15 upon 17. Then cosecant A is equal to reciprocal of sin A, that is 17 upon 15. And tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. 17 is cancelled and we get 15 upon 8. So cot A is equal to reciprocal of tan A, 8 upon 15. Answer. Given secant A is equal to 17 upon 8, B draw a triangle ABC right angled at B and hypotenuse is equal to 17, base is equal to 8. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse upon base. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 17, 17 raised to power 2, 17 70 is 289 is equal to 8 square is 64 plus BC square. BC square is equal to 289 minus 64, that is equal to 225, and BC square is equal to 225. BC is equal to root 225, that is 15 square. So we get the value of BC perpendicular is equal to 15 and secant A is given 17 upon 8. So cos A is reciprocal of secant A, that is 8 upon 17. And we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A, and we are putting cos square A is 8 upon 17 square, that is 64. 8 8s are 64 divided by 289. LCM is 289 and 289 minus 64, that is equal to 225. Sin square A is equal to 225 upon 289, that is 15 upon 17 square. Square is cancelled and we get sin A is equal to 15 upon 17. So cosecant A is reciprocal of sin A, that is 17 upon 15, and tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Sin A is 15 upon 17 and cos A is 8 upon 17. 17, this is cancelled. 15 upon 17 upon 8 upon 17, this is cancelled and we get 15 upon 8. We get tan A is equal to 15 upon 8 and cot A is reciprocal of tan A, that is 8 upon 15. Answer. Thank you.